There will always be an opportunity in this world for improvement, for correction. Always. Because of the constant flux, things change. This world is a world of lacking. Somewhere or the other, something will lack. There will be something missing, which keeps us frustrated. That is how the world is arranged. It is a world of dukkha, of unhappiness. So mindful person, a person who has good analytical power to understand how not to get involved unnecessarily. How not to do that. That is the mechanical process of Ashtanga Yoga. They do it very mechanically. It's a difficult process. It takes a long time. However, if you do it sincerely, at one stage, there is the possibility of dhyan, of meditation. However, for that one has to be, here it is said, all this is possible only for one who is Atmavan. Here Atmavan means one who has a knowledge of the self. Many of us here are well read, we are educated, we are knowledgeable. But practically, our knowledge is just related to roti, kapda, makan. None of us really have an understanding how the plumbing in our house works. None of us has an understanding how the electrical arrangement in our house works. None of us has any understanding how the mechanical system of our vehicles work. None of us has any understanding how the bodily functions work. Still we are knowledgeable. We are certified graduates. We are having some knowledge of just one drop of the entire ocean of things to be known in this material world. That is what it means to be graduate.